How much should pop-up drink stands budget for unexpected repairs? Pop-up drink stands should budget around 10 to 15% of their total operating costs for unexpected repairs to be prepared. Unexpected repairs at pop-up drink stands can come from many sources, like broken equipment, leaks, or electrical problems. Since these stands often use machines like blenders, coffee makers, or refrigeration units, any failure can stop them from working and cost money to fix right away. Budgeting 10 to 15% of operating costs means setting aside some extra money regularly, just in case something breaks. This amount is a rule of thumb that helps keep the business running without big surprises. For example, if the total cost to run the stand for a month is $1,000, then $100 to $150 should be saved for repairs. Sometimes repairs can be small, like replacing a broken switch, or bigger, like fixing a refrigeration compressor. Knowing this helps owners stay calm and ready because they won't have to scramble to find money when something goes wrong. Also, keeping track of what repairs happen often can help plan better budgets in the future. One common mistake is not setting aside money at all and hoping nothing breaks, which almost never works because machines wear out over time. Another issue is underestimating how much repairs cost. Some people think a repair will be cheap, but it can be more expensive than expected. It is also easy to confuse regular maintenance with unexpected repairs. But maintenance is planned while unexpected repairs are not. A useful tip is to keep a small fund separate from daily expenses just for these surprises and review it every few months to adjust the amount if needed. Another thing to watch out for is ignoring small warning signs on equipment because fixing a tiny problem early can prevent bigger costly repairs later. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.